This is the third bottle of this I've purchased. This is the Now Solutions Vegetable Glycerin. You kind of like how it moves so you can see how thick it is. Amazing for a lot of different things, including a bonus one that I'm gonna share with you here in a second. As far as the bottle goes, this is a 16-ounce bottle. They had it in a couple sizes. It has sort of like a pop top lid like that. Had a heat induction seal when I unboxed this one. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, but guys, you know what vegetable glycerin is. It is palm, grape, and coconut oil. It's made from those three things. And when you have glycerin, you want it to have one ingredient, glycerin. And look, one ingredient, okay? This is not mixed with anything. This is straight vegetable glycerin. It is food grade, no parabens, no petrochemicals, all the things that we want. And by the way, this company is family owned, made in the USA. That matters to me. So if it matters to you, there you go. This is an amazing moisturizer for your skin. About 50 million other applications. I mean, I squeeze about a tablespoon of this into my shampoo, into my body wash, into my lotion. You can put it directly on your skin. This it's like, and also use it as like a face serum like you would sort of hyaluronic acid. I usually just take one of my empty hyaluronic acid bottles and fill it with this, and there you go. Show you the viscosity, like how thick it is. I'm gonna put it on note card so you can see. Put it on the white. Ooh, stuff is pretty thick. I mean, it's not thick like castor oil or a Cairo syrup, however you say that, if you know what I'm talking about. But it is like, I would say it's twice as thick as like a face serum. Look at that. I mean, and guys, if you're looking for, and the original reason that I bought this many, many years ago, I wanted to put something on my skin after I showered. So like when you get out of the shower and your skin is like, you know, sort of damp and you pat it dry all day, every day, especially in the winter. For me, there is no better moisturizer than this. And it doesn't like my sheets feel greasy or yeah, so that's like the main application. And then bonus, like I told you, I'm gonna use it to suspend glitter. So I'm gonna use this and water and glitter. And this is a double-walled, like a tumbler, you know, you can open the bottom and I'm gonna fill it so you get sort of that snow globe effect. I'll get back to y'all on that. Now, as far as scent, which is a big deal for me, no scent, 0 scent. And that, something that I'm gonna put all over my skin and face, hair, and everything else, I don't want it to have scent in it. And this is completely scent-free. So you have to love that. It's cruelty-free and it has a super long shelf life, like 3 years, I think. Yeah, I mean, I've never had a bottle that long because I use it for so many things, but you can, I mean, you can keep it if you need to. That's pretty much all you can say about vegetable glycerin. You know, it's not a racy product, but it is a product that is always in this house because it just has such a multitude of applications. And I love how pure and clean and like just all those things. It's just an amazing product. So if you're looking for a way to hydrate your skin, try this out because this just has not ever disappointed and I've been using this for more than 10 years now. So I hope you guys found that helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.